Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Bam Bam Print. Today we're going to be doing a Bambu quickie on how to do a multicolored print even if you don't have an AMS. I know there's many of you out there that don't have one. I actually have one, but I haven't installed it yet. So I thought I'd do this quick little video on the Bam Bam Print logo. It's super quick, super easy, and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is bring your logo in. My logo looks like this. I brought it in into two different layers. I pulled up this layer so we have this extruded version, and that's exactly where we're going to do the color change. So what you're going to do, super quick, go ahead and slice it. I've already done that. And then you're going to bring down this little widget, this layer widget down here on the right hand side to the point where you want to change your color. So for me, it's going to be layer number 32. As a quick tip, just when you're looking at your layers, it's always at the end of the entire printed layer. So layer number 32, it's actually at the end of 32. So if you go all the way back to the beginning on the G code here, you'll see that it's for layer 32. This is what it's going to do. So we want to pause it basically on this layer 32 at the front of the layer. So it's going to print all of this and start. So this will be a good spot to change the color. We're going to right click on the little plus sign, go ahead and add a pause, and that's where you would do your color change. So when it prints, the printer will stop, go back to the poop chute area, and you can unload the filament from the printer screen and then load in your new filament and then start the print again. And here it is, a successful multicolor print without an AMS. And that's basically it. All right, I hope this Bambu quickie was helpful for you and you learned something. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day and happy printing.